Hi, Maxine here, and I'm here with a resident in Carson Gardens. Would you introduce yourself to the good people here on YouTube?
I'm Andrea.
This is Andrea. Alright, she's one of my friends. I gave her a jar of pickles and she's begging for another one. Wouldn't you like one? Well, you could probably get one if you would like donate to a Patreon page that's coming to this channel soon. You know? Well, I wanted to take and try and teach her my song. Alright? And it goes like this. They say the curiosity killed the cat. Well, I cannot confess to that, 'cause I didn't do it. Didn't do it. No, I'd never, never, never hurt a cat. You think you can sing that with me?
Sure.
Let's try it. Alright. They say the curiosity killed the cat. I cannot confess to that, 'cause I didn't do it. Didn't do it. No, I'd never, never, never hurt a cat. Bye-bye. Remember to like, share, subscribe. And hopefully, like I said, we're going to try and get a Patreon page and maybe get some pickles. Some bread and butter pickles. You know, if somebody were like to donate like, maybe $5 or something, of course shipping wouldn't be included. We can't afford shipping. Have you seen the prices out there? It's ridiculous. Alright, you can't make a profit, I tell you. Alright. Alright. Well, like I said, like and subscribe and help David out. Because guess what? He's still talking to a puppet!